Okay everyone, now we are going to speak for another important tool in Unreal Engine, and the name is Quixel Bridge. This tool will help us to import all of the assets and materials which we are going to use for our cinematic environment, and with them we can build it. So now I will show you how to activate this plugin if you already don't have it. So again, edit plugins here and let's write bridge. And that's it. You have to enable it again to restart your project as normal. So after that, when your project is opened and it's ready, you have to come here to the content drawer and to click this add icon here, and you'll see add Quixel content. So let's click on it, and this window will appear on our screen. Here it's the menu from where we can sign in. You have to log in with your Epic account, for example, and when you're ready with that, you will be able to download every asset and material which you want for your project for free. So for example, let's click on 3D assets here, and now you can see how many assets we have and which we can download for our project. Of course, we have different buildings stuff, for example, balcony, door, pillars, roofs, and everything. Let's click on roof. If you need some kind of roof, for example, for your project, you can download it from here. And they're too colorful. And we have food also. This is one really realistic looking chicken. And we have nature. We have rocks, wood sticks, again, different forest rock, mossy rock, everything we need for our project. We have this schools, and we have a 3D plants as well, which you can use to build a forest or something else with plants for your project. Yeah, and we have also collections. For example, we want to build let's see, we want to build this junkyard in our project, and here are collected all of the stuff which we will need to build our junkyard level, for example. And now I'll show you how to download something. First, let's choose something. I want to download this rusty wheel from a car, and now we can choose in which quality we can download this asset. For example, when you click here, we have low quality, medium, high, and nanite. Nanite is the highest possible quality and is the best one. If your PC is lower and you have lag when you're working with Unreal, for example, you will download another quality, not nanite. But in our situation now, we are going to build a cinematic scene where everything looks realistic, and we will try to make it as possible realistic as we can. So nanite is the best version of which we are going to download. So let's click here nanite and let's click download, and now we have to wait. Now you can see a percentage appear here, and now we have to wait until it's 100 and to be ready to be uploaded to our project. For now, I will stop it because I have already some assets which are downloaded, and I will use directly them. So for example, I have this desert, western rock small. So now you can see we have nanite, which is ready, and add icon, it's in blue and it's available to be clicked. So when it's ready, your asset is downloaded, you can add it to your project by clicking the add menu here. So let's click add, and now we have to wait a bit until it's ready and until it's in our project. Okay, that's it. It's already in our project, so we can close this window. Another stuff which you have to know about this and about the qualities of the assets, if you want to download another quality, you have to do it again. If you download nanite, this doesn't mean that you have the other lower quality already with the nanite. You have to download every one if you want all of them. So high quality again, you have to click download and to wait until it's ready and to add to your project. But if you switch now to Nanite, it's already downloaded and you can add it in every project you have. So it's totally up to you. And now I will show you something different, which is important. We have collections here and medieval, here roadside construction. So this roadside construction, for example, will help us build our environment because we have some signs, some, I don't know what's this, some working materials which we're going to place around our street to look like it's in a construction. So yeah, here the industrial and roadside construction pack will help us. So for example, here we have a material with asphalt. We will use a material with asphalt, so we will download it from here again. And now let's click here onto the qualities. And now you can see we have low, medium, high, and highest. When we are uploading materials to our project, they don't have Nanite. They're with highest quality. Nanite, it's only for assets. So this is the same like Nanite, but for materials. So let's click on highest quality, and now you can click download to wait until it's ready and to import it to your project by clicking this blue add icon here. And let's click add again, and our material, it's already in our project, so we can close this window. And it's same, if you want to download another quality, you have to click on it and again to download it and again to add it in your project. So it's same. And yeah, now I will show you where are these materials and assets in your project. When you click here on the content drawer, one folder which will call mega scans will appear here. And when you go inside, you will find two folders. For example, here I have 3 because I already downloaded some plants. I will show you some plants. We have also plants, home, here 3D plants, which are helping us to build a better environment. We're placing them on the edges of the road, for example, or if we're building forests. From here, let's see, maybe this grass here. And if you want, you can download grass as well. You can see the variations of the grass if you have this pack. And again, here, high, medium, and low. We don't have highest quality here for this pack, so you have no on the high quality, of course. And yeah, that's why I have 3 folders here in the Mega Scan folder. But the 2 which are important now for us are the 3D assets. Here we can find all of the 3D assets which we imported already from Quixel to our project. And here in the surface are our materials. I have a lot of materials now, not too much, but a few. And that's why we can see 6 folders now, not only 1. But you have to check for the name in Quixel, for example. Oops, sorry. And let's check the name. It was something with asphalt. So, okay, I want to check it in Quixel. Now let's look for asphalt, damaged asphalt, and asphalt road. So I have rough asphalt as well. Okay, we have 3 materials of asphalt, which are used to build the cinematic. So I will show you exactly which materials and assets to download for your project. So don't worry. But now the main stuff which I'm explaining to you, it's how to use Quixel, because it's really important. And yeah, again, from here, content drawer, add Quixel content, and from here you can add anything you want, and it's free. This is the best stuff, the best tool which you can use to add assets. And of course, we can find our car here. We will download it from another site, but I will show you in the next lecture how you can do it. And from here, by clicking this icon here, optional this one here, on your profile, here, preferences, and now we have a library path. So by default, this will be mainly in your C drive, where you're installing most of the time your programs, and you don't have enough space. So you have to change it to another drive where you have more space. For example, if you have enough space in your C drive, you can keep it. But in my situation here in my computer, the most of my free space is in a D drive. So I just change it there, and everything I'm downloading will go there, not into the C drive. So you can change it from here. And yeah, I think this is everything you have to know about the Quixel bridge, and you have to prepare it before we are starting with the main stuff. See you in the next lecture, guys.